Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here. We have a 2021 Sea Ray. This is a 270 SDX, so there's sun deck. 270 in the Sea Ray blue with the white hull. For 2021, they have a new redesigned tower. Fits a little bit more forward, and the bimini actually extends out a little bit further as well. So that's a great upgrade for this boat. Come to the back, you got the nice sea deck here. You got the manual swim step that pulls down into the water. Let's go on into the boat and check it out. All right, welcome to the interior of the boat. We do have this in a nice tan color. It's got the great sun pad in the back. You can kind of hang out here with all your crew. Got a nice bench seat here. This does open up and there's a cooler underneath there. There's some more storage underneath here, nice and deep. This does come with the Mercury 6.2 liter 300 horsepower with the Bravo 3, so it has the twin props. You've got the forward facing and aft facing, so you can move that back and forth whatever way you want. I mentioned the tower, so the tower has a new locking system. This just unlocks and locks this way, and then the tower will fold down. This also moves forward and back as well on the driver's side. Both of them do have bolster seats that pop up. You do have a nice big head in a 27-foot boat. Sink. And then we opted this one with the Simrad system. It does have the Fusion stereo, a lighting package, and then with the sun decks you get a lot of room in the bow. So nice and big, expansive, 3, 4, sometimes even 5 people. Both of these open up and our coolers with drains. So plenty of space, great boat for anywhere in Minnesota. Come on down to MarineMax Rogers, take a look at this boat, and as always, click the like button and click to subscribe to see new videos all the time.